Hi friends, welcome back. Mitch Asser here, and I am in an outside office today, which means my camera is super bright, which you can see down in the corner of the screen. But today we're diving in on the screen here to a squeeze page to bridge page funnel with bonuses. Now, the times that you could use this for a whole host of different reasons throughout your digital promotions, but some of the most common ways are for firstly affiliate marketing, because if you're doing any sort of affiliate offer and you want to advertise on any of the major platforms like Facebook or Google, they actually don't really like you using affiliate links. So by having a squeeze page on your own website, you can then collect email addresses and move them through to a bridge page. Then you would actually send them to the offer, the affiliate offer from there. The second reason that you would want to use this is to capture an email address before making the offer to them. So the benefit of capturing an email address is that you can then start to do email marketing, because it's very rare these days to go directly from an advertisement into a sale. You need to actually warm them up and get them used to your brand in a number of different ways before you can actually sell to them. So when you're doing your promotions, you're not only just trying to make sales, but you're also building your audience, and you have that email address on your system for as long as they stick around, so that even if they don't buy this particular offer, then they will actually purchase some other offers from you down the track. So if we look on the screen right now, it's a super simple funnel. I love these types of funnels, and they're also highly effective. And you can do this you can also use this for your own products as well, and just to allow people to come into a funnel and go into an email automation. But it's going to look like this, and I'm going to go into the design in just a second. And that design you'll get totally free as a member for if you've signed up to GrooveFunnels under my affiliate link. If you haven't yet, there'll be a link in the description where you can learn more about that, plus how you can get over $37,000 worth of bonuses if you do sign up through my link. So basically we just have a very simple squeeze page with a curiosity headline. Once they opt into that, they'll get an automated email. Usually I line up 3 to 5 emails within that sequence. And on the bridge page itself, we'll have a call to action, plus it will list out all of their bonuses and how they can actually claim those bonuses. Hopefully then they're going to purchase. Once they've purchased, you'll have their details either from the affiliate offer that you're promoting within their dashboard, or from your own CRM, depending on what you're promoting. And you deliver the bonuses to them once you've got that information. And then if they don't purchase, then after all of these 3 to 5 emails that are automated, then you would actually go and promote something new, or continue to provide value to them, and hopefully down the track they're going to actually purchase from you, which then allows you to have a profitable business. So the example looks like this. If you've ever, it's just a curiosity-based headline, super simple squeeze page. The whole purpose is to get people opting in through this page. Should see anywhere between a 20 to 30% conversion rate for something like this, if your ad and your squeeze page copy gets people curious enough and people want to actually purchase it. Within the membership as well, if you do buy GrooveFunnels through my affiliate link, I've got 3 copywriting books to help you with these stages as well. So they're unannounced bonuses, so if you haven't checked them out yet, you'll see them in your members area. But once people opt in through there, it's all automated and it comes through to here. So you want to call out who they are, add another attention grabbing headline here, and then have your video in here. So your video should be, depending on what you're promoting, but anywhere between, I would say, 4 to 15 minutes long. You might need something a little bit longer for some purchases because they are higher in price. The other time you could be using this type of funnel is to do demonstrations for software. So software demonstrations might take somewhere between 10 to 15 minutes, and then you'd have that video in there, and then you'd have your link directly to that software as an affiliate as well. Now, one cool thing, so you definitely want to have that button right underneath, and you also want, within your video, you want to talk about the bonuses, but you also want to list them on this page. Now, one cool thing Russell Brunson came up with this is some people won't actually watch the entire video, or they'll get bored. So if you give them these headlines here about what they're going to see in the video, then it helps them stick around a little bit longer. Or if they don't watch the entire video, they still might actually purchase from you, because if you create good enough headlines in these areas, then that's what's going to happen. Then you just want to add in some testimonials, some proof of the thing that you're promoting. And if it's an affiliate offer, usually they have testimonials that you can use within your promotion, so you just grab it from there. If it's your own offer, then you should be collecting a bunch of testimonials every single week anyway. And so you just add them in there, so to make sure that it's relevant to this product. And then down the bottom, I just want to step them through how they can actually go and claim their thing, whatever they are buying. So you tell them, step it out for them, exactly what they need to do. So step 1, go buy the thing. Step 2, email you the receipt so that you know that they bought the thing. And then step 3, you're going to send them your bonuses. So you make that easy for them here. You could add this button here to be an auto email thing. So I think it's like email to ... your email address or mail to, and then that'll open up directly into their mail service. So with your email address already in there, so just make it as easy as possible. Or you could send that button to your help desk where they open up a support ticket and it's already all populated for them. That would be pretty cool as well. And then step 3, just list out the bonuses that they'll get. And you probably want to even talk about when you're going to send them your bonuses. So if you only look at all of the sales that come in on a Friday, then tell them that they're going to receive it on a Friday. You can literally say, we check all of our sales on a Friday, we download the list, put it into our CRM, so expect to receive your bonus on the next upcoming Friday. And that's as simple as it is. And what I love about this is there's so many uses for it. Like I said, from affiliate marketing to your own products to demonstrations, all types of different ways that you can be using this type of funnel. So the bridge page funnel is definitely one of the best ones out there. It's one of the most effective, but it's also one of the easiest to set up. The only thing outside of this funnel that you need to set up is obviously then your email automations, and you can do anywhere between sort of 3 to 5 email automations per demonstration, or per bridge page would be ideal, and then that should work out for you. So hope you enjoyed this training, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.